In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Kashflow. Whether you're expanding your team or simply need an extra pair of hands to help manage your finances, it's a straightforward process that we can navigate together. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Kashflow Connect. This is your central hub where you'll manage all settings related to your accounting setup. Once you're on the Kashflow Connect page, locate and click on the Settings option. You should find this easily within the main menu, typically along the top or side of your screen, depending on your device. With the Settings menu open, your next move is crucial. You'll need to find the option labeled Additional Users. Click on this, as it's the section that will allow you to manage the people who have access to collaborate and assist with your accounting tasks on the platform. Now that you're in the Additional Users section, you should see an option to create a new user. Click on this button to begin setting up a new team member's profile. This step is very intuitive and should lead you through the creation process one step at a time. Next, it's time to enter the user details. This includes entering an email address, the new user's name, and any other information that Kashflow requires. Be sure to double-check everything you type in. Accuracy here is important, because it ensures the right person receives the access intended for them. After entering the new user's details, the next step involves selecting a role for them. Kashflow offers different roles depending on the level of